Welcome to Techniks Tool Group USA. In today's video, we'll be talking about CNC routers. In the world of precision and design, the CNC router stands out as a marvel of modern engineering. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It's a process where a computer controls the movement of a router or spindle to carve, cut, and shape materials. From delicate woodwork to robust metal designs, and even intricate glass patterns, the possibilities with CNC routers are vast. Want to build your own CNC router? It's about choosing the right components, understanding the software, and ensuring safety at every step. The heart of the CNC router lies in its bits. Different bits for different tasks: carving, engraving, cutting, and more. Mounting is crucial. A firm grip ensures precision. Whether you're using clamps or adhesive methods, always ensure the surface is clean. Want to design for CNC? Softwares like ArtCam make the process intuitive, turning your vision into coordinates for the router. For those looking to enhance versatility, adding another spindle can be a game changer, allowing for multiple operations at once. Speed matters. Different materials require different speeds. Always ensure you're at the right pace for precision and safety. And if you're feeling adventurous, some CNC routers can even be converted into lasers, opening up a whole new world of design possibilities. The magic of CNC routing is in the details. The precision. The ability to bring any design to life. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the world of CNC routing awaits. Dive in, create, and let your imagination run wild. You know, having the right tools can make all the difference in the CNC world. Take aggregate heads, for instance. They're like the Swiss Army knives for CNC machines, enhancing capabilities and allowing for diverse operations. And then there are the bits. It's like choosing the right brush for a painting. Each material, each design, has its perfect match. Precision is key. And sometimes, that means having the right holder or adapter to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's not just about the machine, but the support behind it. The tools that make the process seamless, and the expertise that guides each cut. While the journey into CNC routing is yours to embark on, remember, there are companions like Techniks, offering a hand with tools crafted for perfection. Now, speaking of CNC routers, let's talk about Techniks. Our CNC routers are not just machines, they're a blend of innovation, precision, and reliability. Crafted for those who seek perfection in every cut, every carve, and every design. With Techniks, you're not just getting a tool, you're investing in excellence. We understand that one size doesn't fit all. From compact routers for smaller projects to industrial giants for large-scale productions, we've got a range tailored for every need. And it's not just the routers. Our collection of bits and tools ensures that you have the perfect match for every material and design. In the age of technology, our CNC routers come equipped with intuitive digital controls, making precision just a touch away. Whether you're a hobbyist working from your garage or a large enterprise with massive production goals, Techniks has a CNC solution tailored for you. Durability, design, and dedication, that's the Techniks promise. With every CNC router, we commit to delivering excellence that stands the test of time. Subscribe to our channel to get regular updates, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Visit our website to check out our exclusive range of products.